Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my BMW X5 E70 and how to reset your engine oil and brake fluid service intervals. This method is pretty similar to other BMW models as well from this era, so without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure your trip meter is reset to 0. I've already reset mine, but if it isn't, make sure the car is on, and then hold down this button, and after a couple seconds your miles will reset. Then you're going to turn off your car, remove the key, and then insert the key back in and hit the start button, but make sure your foot is not on the brake and make sure all your doors are closed. And then you're going to press and hold down this button. Once you see this picture, then just start pressing the button. This is your brake fluid, your headlight, your tail light, and then suspension. So what I'm going to do is go into this brake fluid. I'm going to push and hold down the button. It's going to ask to reset. You let go and push and hold it down again. And the second you do that, right on this side, we have OKs. The brake issue is now gone, and now we're going to do the engine oil. Find the engine oil, push and hold the button. It's going to ask to reset, push and hold, and it's reset. The issue is gone, engine oil, okay. And that's it. That's how quick and easy it is to reset your service intervals on a BMW. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, I would really appreciate you guys hitting the like and share button. And if you guys want to see more videos on my BMWs, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out my other BMW how-to and repair videos as well. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.